Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some very exciting news to share. I'm currently 11 days post-ovulation. Hi baby. I'm about to head in for my first appointment for this new baby. I'm so excited. I have been dreaming of this appointment. I'm now 7 weeks. Yeah, I just want to see that everything's okay. I want to see the little heartbeat after all these months as well. Like, this is something I have been dreaming of, looking forward to. So let's go inside. I'm pregnant. We are expecting our second baby and we are all so excited. I feel just so grateful, so happy. The journey to get here was definitely a lot different than the first time around, so I feel just like extra grateful and excited and happy. With Nalia, it worked on the first go, on the first try. And this time around, we tried for a few months and each month it didn't work. Oh my God, the heartbreak. It was so difficult. I think I definitely took it really hard personally. I think especially as someone who's so in tune with themselves, I love taking care of my body, my health. And I know as women, it's really easy to just automatically assume that it's your body's loss. No, it obviously takes two to make a baby, and I think it's so important that both of the partners are aligned and get checked, are both nourishing themselves, are both taking really great supplements. And I think when everything finally aligned, it worked. But yeah, it's just something that I never experienced before, I never fathomed. Just to go through it, like, oh, my heart. For all of those on their trying to conceive journey, I am sending you so much love and goodness and prayers your way. Know that God has a special timing for everything, and I hope watching this just gives you so much encouragement and so much peace. But yeah, now being here in my second trimester, I feel so good. I'm so happy, and especially now as well in my second trimester, the nausea has passed and it was rough this time around. Also very different compared than with Nalia. With Nalia, I definitely had a bit, but nothing compared to what it was like this time around. I had lots of food aversions. There were only like specific things that I could eat. Even just going to the supermarket, like the smells of the food was so intense. I could only really eat like the simplest of things. Cooking was also like impossible, which is why I also have not been posting a lot of food content. Now it's better. I have my full appetite back. I can eat everything, but definitely the last few months was rough. Things that helped was definitely eating like very small things throughout the day, not going too long without eating. Salt crackers and these, sticks, the saltine sticks. I made a lot of fresh fruit bowls as well. Fresh fruit was so appealing to me. So I ate lots of that, and I also love like the vitamins and the nutrients in the fruit, so I was happy about that. Something that helped a lot too was moving my body, working out, going for walks. The nausea will usually start at like 9:30 in the morning and last the whole day. I usually do my workouts at around like 8:30, 8:45, so I was still able to get in some movement during the day, and I think that really helped, especially with mental clarity, mental health. Like nausea can be so it can just take over like your whole day, your all of your thoughts. So at least being able to do something really positive and nice for myself in the morning felt really great. But I was definitely really tired too, so it just depended on the day. But yeah, that first trimester tiredness is so real, and unlike my first pregnancy, when I was tired first time around, I would just lay down. I could take a nap if I wanted, I could just lay on the couch. But now with a toddler, it just looks a lot different. You're going through all of that, but you still have this little human that you're taking care of. So yeah, it's definitely a lot different. And of course, also sharing the news with Nalia, like that is so special and something that I dreamed of for so long, especially now as well when I'm starting to show and I'm, you know, have a little bump. She talks to my belly all the time. She wants to show the baby things. She wants to give food to the baby. So she's just like, yeah, they're already developing a little relationship, which is so precious. Like it just completely melts my heart, and I cannot even fathom like how it's gonna be when, you know, they're both actually here together. But yeah, I definitely noticed the belly popping a lot earlier and just showing so much sooner this time around. My boobs, oh my god, my boobs. I didn't really have this so intense first time around. Like maybe they were a little sensitive, like a little swollen, but I feel like now it's like next level. Nipples are so painful. We do co-sleep with Nalia, so I'm constantly like protecting my chest. Also the belly, like she knows we don't kick mommy in the belly. We're careful with our feet, with our elbows, with our hands. Yeah, that's definitely been different this time around. But yeah, overall right now, second trimester, I'm feeling really great. Energy levels are still like fluctuating, but definitely at night, like 8:30, I am so exhausted, so tired. My body needs rest and sleep so much right now. I do also get up very early with Nalia, but I just cannot do like evenings past 9 o'clock because I will just be in zombie mode the next day. But yeah, I'm staying active, I feel good, I'm still working out and moving my body, which I did throughout my first pregnancy as well. That was something that was really important for me, to just stay feeling really like fit and mobile and flexible. I think it helped a lot with birth as well, so that's definitely something that I want to continue with this pregnancy. Also now with, you know, the nausea passing, I can eat really healthy again, and of course I indulge from time to time. I love making stuff at home or if we go to restaurants, but most of the time I love eating like healthy, vibrant, nourishing foods. Also for my digestion, because I feel like that shifts a lot during pregnancy, you know, when like all your intestines move and your colon and you're having to make space for this growing baby. I think it's really important to focus on like good healthy food so that your digestion still stays optimal, and also just keeping a really positive mindset and outlook on everything. I did a lot of meditations as well during our trying to conceive time, which really helped. You know, definitely our thoughts play such a huge role in our lives and in the health of our body. And there are so many great meditations on YouTube for when it comes to, you know, trying to conceive or just having a really healthy and enjoyable pregnancy. Generally keeping a good mindset about everything, for me that is really important, and I feel definitely affects the baby as well, and, you know, puts lots of good energy to them. Also, I know throughout last year, so many of you guys were asking if we were trying for another baby, if I was pregnant. I know that it comes from a good place and it's with love, but every time it didn't work, it just felt like, you know, scratching like an open wound. Yeah, I've definitely also learned like firsthand, you never know what someone is going through. I do feel your guys' love, and we've had this incredible relationship for over like 10 years of me doing YouTube. I would say, and what I've learned is, if we're ever curious about, you know, what someone might be going through, just sending love and sending good wishes their way. Yeah, I think definitely going through that, like I have a whole new perspective on this, you know, topic and this life experience and these kinds of emotions. But yeah, I'm so excited. I absolutely love being pregnant. I'm just in awe of the human body. I'm in awe of my uterus, you know, of what's happening. I'm starting to feel little movements now. So it's just like the biggest blessing, and I feel so good, and I'm so excited for the content as well that I will now be able to share and film and create. Definitely a lot more food content now that I'm feeling better. I've been making some new recipes that I want to share with you guys, and also some new fashion content as well now that I'm able to embrace and show my bum. Spring is also right around the corner, which is so exciting for fashion. So yeah, we're all very excited for this next chapter. Leave any questions that you have down below and I will get to them in the next video. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.